SMOK steps up the stick game with the SMOK Stick Prince Kit. This mod comes in at 24.5mm by 85mm, so it should fit in your pocket or purse pretty much without any trouble. This sleek scepter has a 3000 mAh internal battery, so you know you're going to have power to spare. With that, the device has what's called direct voltage out, which means as the battery state changes in terms of the charge, so will the power output. The Stick Prince is also built pretty solid with the stainless steel construction, and honestly, it just feels really good in your hands. The Prince tank has a 25.5mm base and has an 8mm glass that comes standard, which is pretty awesome on the get-go. In addition to combining a top-filled tank with a nifty little swivel open lid and a lock button, this device has a sweet 810 Cobra resin ultra-wide drip tip and comes pre-installed with a 0.17 ohm V12 Prince M4 quad coil rated at 30 to 70 watts. Now obviously this isn't built for the cloud chaser due to the power output and the rating of the coil, but that'd be more of a preference than a negative. And with a slew of different colors to choose from, the SMOK Stick Prince Kit is a great kit for any starter vapor or just anyone looking for something solid, easy to use, and ready to go at a moment's notice.
Well, you made it through the video. You get all the cookies. Well, if you enjoyed it, click over here to subscribe. Or, you can go over here and watch some more videos, which would be better if you did both. Because we please, just do it. Do it now. Quickly, before the fog rolls in, just click the videos.